Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to cancel or modify a booking in booking.com. First, open the app and log in into your account. Then go to bookings or my trip sections to view your reservations. Then select the booking you want to cancel or change. Next, tap on the cancel booking or modify your booking option. Then follow the on-screen instructions and make sure to check the cancellation policy, as some bookings may include fees or may not be refundable. Once confirmed, you'll receive an email with the updated details. That's how you cancel or modify a booking in booking.com. Do not forget to